Guys, welcome to my garden. There's this beautiful lots of plants used in the Thailand foods. And this is my beautiful Buddha. Hey guys, this is the beautiful place here.
Hey, pre.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my house. Come on, get inside. This is my place. Always relax when I'm bored. So I love going travel in anywhere. So Thailand like that. And this is my chandelier. This is my plants. Come visit here sometimes so that you can experience the how convenient my place is. Come on. See? You see? See? Okay. It's so beautiful here, guys. It's so cold because there's an aircon. Look, if you wanna visit here and dine with us,